Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, the rain yesterday only landed in certain areas, and the airport was kind of missed, just getting 0.11 of an inch. So that boosts our monthly total officially to only 0.2 of an inch, and we're way below average. Very dry here for the month, and now down 7 1/3 inches below for the year. Our drought continues to expand, and today's drought monitor shows now we have the red areas. That's an extreme drought beginning in the area. You can see in San Patricio County and northern Nueces County, severe to extreme drought continuing in these yellow to red areas, and all of the areas under some type of drought at this point. So yeah, that rain that we saw was rather hit and miss, didn't make a big difference, but hopefully over the next week we'll see a little more of the rainfall. Right now temperatures are anywhere from 89 to 97 at Alice, 101 at Beeville, and we are seeing those heat indices staying below 110 today. So we didn't have any advisories, fortunately, but it's still pretty sticky out there. The heat index right now at 105 at Ingleside and 104 at Alice. So you can feel that heat, humidity, and the breeze. Well, it's picked up just slightly, and we are seeing winds inland up to 20 miles an hour right now. Over the next few days, that wind comes down just a little bit more and will be much quieter this weekend. In fact, much lighter winds by the time we get into Sunday, and they shift direction too to the northeast by Monday ahead of a tropical wave that is going to bring more moisture to the area. So with the lighter winds, tonight's lows will drop into those 70s with 76 in Corpus Christi for the low tonight, 75 George West, 80 at Port Aransas tonight, and then tomorrow's temperatures climb again. We're back to 100 degrees from Kingsville, Alice, Freer, George West, 99 Beeville, Coastside, Corpus Christi hitting 96 degrees tomorrow, still above average. In fact, our average high temperature dropped today. It's now down to 93 degrees. But heat indices over the next few days are going to drop too. We do have some much drier air coming in Sunday, and that drier air will certainly be noticed Sunday, but then that moisture returns again Monday and Tuesday, bringing the heat index back up to 105. So as far as any rainfall tomorrow, it looks pretty spotty, but I do think we could have a few showers right at the coast. This is 10 in the morning, and then pulling farther inland by 2 o'clock, possibly near Corpus Christi and up to Beeville. And then Saturday, the pattern repeats itself. We do have a little more tropical moisture coming in, and that will help produce a few showers. So we have a slightly better chance tomorrow and Saturday than what we saw today. Today was pretty dry across the area. So after a spot shower chance Saturday, notice the temperature goes back up Sunday. We have much drier air coming in. Temperatures will be hot, and we'll see the heat index dropping Sunday with dew points lower, and then the moisture returns again Monday as that tropical wave brings that higher moisture back in for Labor Day and that better chance of rain. Dorian, still a Category 1 hurricane, however, expected to intensify. Unfortunately, today's forecast has increased the strength from a Category 3 to a Category 4. We'll hope that that doesn't happen, but right now it looks like it could be a Category 4 storm with 130-mile-an-hour winds as it moves into Florida. There's still some question on the path of this. There's a large area here in which it could go, and it's possible it could even turn more to the north. So something that we'll keep an eye on over the next few days, of course. Here's your 7-day forecast, and this is brought to you by AutoNation's Super Zero event. Get new cars and trucks with absolutely zero due at signing. Visit AutoNation.com. So as far as temperatures, well, they come down just a tad as we go into the weekend. But Sunday, again, that drier air brings them right back up to 98. And then next week, with a better chance of rain, temperatures drop back down to the lower to mid-90s.